Sky here with another episode of Love Always Me. Not me, you, engaging in activities that awaken your mind, body, and spirit. Today we're diving into the 3 V's: vulnerability, vitality, and vision. These qualities encourage us to open up, embrace life fully, and set clear direction for our future. Vulnerability is the courage to show our true selves even when it feels uncomfortable. It's about embracing our emotions and allowing others to see us authentically. So next time you're tempted to hide your feelings, share them instead. You might be surprised by the connections it creates. I used to struggle with opening up about my fears, worried that it would make me appear weak. As I started sharing my feelings, I found deeper relationships and more meaningful connections. Now, vitality is the energy and zest we bring to our lives. It's about taking care of our well-being so we can live life to the fullest. Incorporate activities into your daily routine that energize you, whether it's singing out loud, two-step dancing, or playing basketball. When I felt drained and exhausted, I realized I had been neglecting my own vitality. Once I started prioritizing activities that brought me joy and energy, I noticed a renewed sense of enthusiasm for life. Lastly, vision is having a clear idea of the future we want to create. It's about setting intentions and allowing our dreams to guide us forward. Create a vision board or write down your goals, focusing on how you want to feel and what you want to achieve. When I was trying to map out the next chapter of my life, visualizing my goals helped me stay focused and motivated. It kept me on the path, even during tough times. So my babies, let's embrace vulnerability, live with vitality, and stay true to our vision. These V's will guide us to a life that feels bold, vibrant, and purposeful. What's your vision for your future, and what's one step you can take today to bring it closer? Share in the comments. Remember, our hearts, our minds, our souls desire peace. Your heart, your mind, your soul desires peace. Until next time, love always me, and that me is you.